2.
Do something more.
No, no, no. Let it go. Let it go. What a brute. Calm down. Here. 1, 2.
You want me to go ahead and start the interview or what?
Yep. Go ahead, Pipe. Piper, you didn't even do the third one. Are you already attacking that thing? Piper the Brute. Piper the Brutosaurus. What are you doing? Here, is this your buggy? Is this your buggy? Oh boy. Uh-oh, it's going without you, Pipe. Here comes the buggy. Ah, don't break it, don't break it, don't break it, don't break it.